check your transaction history on Epic Games, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to open your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Transactions section. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Transactions tab on the left side. Click on it to view your transaction history. Step 4. Review your transaction history. You will see a list of all your purchases, including games, in-game items, and subscriptions. Each entry will show the date, amount, and details of the transaction. Step 5. Download or print your history optional. If you need a physical copy or a downloadable version, look for an option to export or print your transaction history. Follow the prompts to save or print the information. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Epic Games whenever needed.